Out here again in East Ave on with Bruce Batzel, who's with me. There he is. You see him right there. He, of course, is well known in dirt racing circles. We showed you the building where the cars that haven't been touched yet are. This is the building where the cars he's working on get worked on. I guess we'll start with this Chevelle right here. What is it?
Yeah, this is a 67 SS Chevelle, 396 four-speed car with the sheet metal work's been done, it's been straightened up, and it's ready for disassembly to have all the door edges and everything painted Le Mans blue and start reassembling it, and then do the outside's got to be painted. This car's rock solid,
it sure looks
gorgeous car. Once again, 396 four-speed car.
Yeah, look inside, guys. Look at that floor. Look at that floor. Yeah, this thing is sweet. Nice. So by disassemble, what are we going to do?
We got to take all the fenders off and got to paint all the door edges. Everything has to be edged.
Okay.
You have to edge all this. All this has to have the proper color put around it first.
Okay.
And then you put it all back together, tape it back up on the inside, so this is all taped up, and then you shoot the outside color.
Gotcha.
Base clear colors.
Okay.
Just driver quality though.
So what do we have here?
Got a 57 Apache pickup truck that I picked
Really?
up in West Seneca, Buffalo. I've wanted one for several years, so it's a short box. It'll make a nice truck. 454 four-speed truck is what it'll be. I've got hundreds of engines. So we'll give it that one.
Okay. The Apache's rare, isn't it?
They're getting rare. This Mopar here, this is a 70 RT Charger, 440 Magnum, wedge motor in it. This will have
the 440 wedge.
Yeah, this will have a big block in it. This has been saved out of a barn. It's still got bird dew on it and stuff.
Yeah, but look at the body on it. That's pretty clean.
But it's pretty good body on it.
Yeah.
We're saving its life too.
Yeah, because those rusted on top of the fenders, I remember, was one of the big areas
that does have good front fenders.
It does have good front fenders.
They
Okay.
drag raced it and rolled the quarters under, so we're doing quarter repair on that one.
All right, we're zooming out on this one here. What do we got here?
66 Malibu that was drag raced at Leicester Drag Strip. It's been sitting in a barn forever. They disassembled it, never finished it, so I've gone and purchased that. I'm going to help the owner redo this car. So
Boy, it looks solid, is it?
A rental spot. Yeah, he'll
it's a
pay
rental
rent.
spot.
He'll
Okay.
rent this spot, and I will help him, and he'll help me.
Okay.
Yeah, needs
That's a
lots
little
of
timer there.
lots
So
of repair, but it's
got a
all
couple
there.
of Camaros over here. So we've already gone a little longer than I thought. So Bruce, and I wanted to show everybody the AMC Rebel
this
convertible.
AMC Rebel SST convertible is a very, very rare car. Another gentleman, I'm helping him with this so he can help me. Tit for tat, we help each other.
Nice.
That's what the world's got to do is help each other.
Thanks for having us out, Bruce.